I'm Tiffany, and I'm on the water force. Professionally, I'm a civil engineer. Some of the things that I am involved in are design of infrastructure. That includes water, sewer, drainage. So I'm actually a district engineer for multiple mud districts. Also, I am a resident of Fort Bend County, and so the water that I receive in my home comes from North Fort Bend Water Authority. Surface water comes from a body of water that's like a lake that you would take and retreat that water and then pump it out to distribute it. Versus groundwater, you actually have to have a well that goes deep into the ground, into an aquifer, and then pumps it out of the ground, and then you treat it and use it there. Currently, a lot of districts, a lot of water sources use groundwater, which ultimately can lead to subsidence. So North Fort Bend Water Authority's work is important because ultimately the goal is to reduce subsidence by providing another source of water. One of those ways is not only to conserve water, but also to start using more surface water instead of groundwater. North Fort Bend Water Authority is working to provide surface water to all the residents, which again will protect us from subsidence issues. The work that North Fort Bend Water Authority does, it actually speaks out to me in the sense that I am very passionate about the education that people need to be aware of what happens when you don't conserve water, and also the effects of subsidence. So I personally have been a resident of Fort Bend County for about 9 years, and I have seen a substantial amount of growth in and around my area. And I definitely see that the population growth is one of the factors we need to consider about water use. The more people we get in our area, the more that we're using water. It takes time and money and effort to make sure we have treated water for people to be able to use. I joined the water force because I feel it's important to educate the public about water conservation and subsidence issues, and I just wanted to be a part of being a face for the North Fort Bend Water Authority to provide that information.